It was the perfect day for an outing. They spent some time playing frisbee on the wet sand with Flo and Eddie, a pair of energetic border terriers, before they set off for a long walk around the bay, talking with all the ease of old friends. Freya asked about his life in the band, encouraging him to talk about Charlie. She seemed to find his stories of their worst excesses, or at least the ones he was prepared to share, very funny. Callum couldn't remember when he'd last laughed so much, or felt so comfortable in the company of anyone else. At that moment he realised he wanted to see those dimples a lot more often. He didn't want her to stop caring about him. Maybe it was time to take this strange relationship to another level. There's something I'd like you to hear. He picked up his guitar. She curled up in the corner of the sofa as he began to play. The song described their day on the beach, their footsteps, lovers' initials in a heart pierced with an arrow drawn in the sand. As he let the last notes fade away, he looked up at Freya. Her grey eyes were moist and full of wonder.
Somewhere to the west of here, troubles disappear. Footprints on the beach, wherever